How to fix Instagram swipe reply not working. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see six different options there. You will see homepage, search icon, plus icon, real icon, and then the profile icon. What I want you to do is to go to your home page or home icon, tap home icon, and it will lead you here. And then on the upper right, you will see messenger icon there, right? You just have to tap on that. And if you click on the message here, let's say you want to reply this, let's say you will swipe it, and as you can see, my reply swipe is actually working. Now if it doesn't work for you, then the thing is you can go to your app store or your play store and then update the Instagram there, because actually a new feature on Instagram. So you have to update your application there to be able to have that feature. Now, if it still doesn't work, what I want you to do is to go back here, go to your profile and go to your settings here, and then tap on help here, and then tap on report a problem, and then report problem without shaking, don't include and continue, then briefly explain what happened. So you have to put there, my Instagram swipe reply is not working even though I have already updated the application, and basically upload a screenshot there and tap send, and the Instagram community will get back to you and fix your problem up around 48 hours. And basically that is how you fix Instagram swipe reply not working. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.